Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a Boots Advantage card online. First, go to the Boots Advantage card sign up page. Enter your email address to get started. If you already have a Boots.com account, you'll be asked to sign in before continuing. Next, just follow the on-screen instructions and fill in your personal details. If you already pick up a physical Advantage card in store, make sure to tick yes when asked. Then enter your full card number. Just remove any spaces. Once you submit everything, you'll immediately see your digital Advantage card number on the confirmation screen. You can start using it right away for points and rewards. And that's it. That's how to create a Boots Advantage card online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.